Okay, so I just read about this self-hosted newsletter tool called listmonk that's really got me curious.
Oh, I've seen mentions of that. What makes it stand out compared to other newsletter services?
Well, for one, it's completely self-contained. It's fast and packed with features all in a single binary.
A single binary. That's pretty wild. I wonder how that affects installation and maintenance.
Right, and you can either run it using Docker or install it directly. It seems super flexible.
Wait so you can choose how to deploy it. That's neat. What about the database?
It uses PostgreSQL as its data store, which is a solid choice for reliability and performance.
Definitely. PostgreSQL is powerful, but does that limit users who aren't familiar with it?
That's a good point. I can see how that could be a barrier for some people, but it might also attract tech-savvy users.
True, and they could be more engaged since they have control over their setup.
Exactly, plus the open source aspect means they can customize it to fit their needs.
Speaking of customization, how user-friendly is the interface?
From what I gather, it uses Vue.js for the front end, so it should be quite modern and intuitive.
That sounds promising, but isn't there a learning curve with self-hosted tools?
Definitely, it's not as plug-and-play as some services, which may discourage non-developers.
Right, and if you hit a snag, you're on your own unless you dive into the community.
That's a risk, but I think it could also foster a supportive community of users who help each other.
True, so what's the licensing model? I assume it's open source.
Yes, it's licensed under ACPL 3, which really encourages contributions and collaboration.
That's a solid choice. It keeps the project transparent and community-focused.
Yeah, and I love that it's free, but I wonder how sustainable that model is long-term.
Good point. Relying on donations or sponsorships can be unpredictable.
Absolutely, and it can impact development speed if funding becomes an issue.
But on the flip side, community-driven projects often have passionate contributors.
Right, and that passion can lead to innovative features and rapid improvements.
Okay, let's circle back to the features. What are some standout capabilities?
One thing that caught my eye is its ability to manage multiple mailing lists effortlessly.
Multiple lists. That's handy. It must be great for organizations with different audiences.
Exactly, and it supports segmentation, which helps target specific groups.
Targeting's huge. It can significantly improve engagement rates.
But I wonder how effective it is with analytics. Do they provide robust tracking?
Good question. Analytics can make or break a newsletter strategy.
From what I saw, it includes tracking for open rates and click rates, which is essential.
That's definitely a positive. But are there any limitations we should be aware of?
I think the initial setup could be a hurdle for some, as we mentioned earlier.
And the reliance on PostgreSQL might limit some potential users.
Exactly, it's a double-edged sword, powerful but potentially intimidating.
Overall, it sounds like a great tool for the right audience.
Yeah, I think if you're tech-savvy and want control, it could be a game changer.
But if you're looking for simplicity, there might be better options out there.
Agreed, so it's all about finding the right balance for each user's needs.
And that's what makes exploring tools like listmonk so fascinating.
Absolutely, it's like finding a hidden gem in the sea of options, right?
Totally. It challenges us to think about what we really want from a tool.
And to consider how much control versus ease is worth to us.
Exactly. This really opens up a lot of questions about our digital choices.
So what do you think? Are you tempted to give listmonk a try?
I'm intrigued. It might be worth experimenting with, especially for a newsletter.
Same here, I think I'll dive into the installation docs and see how it goes.
Let's keep each other posted on what we discover, and any challenges too.
Definitely, who knows what other insights will uncover along the way.